Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start inside safe mode to change display settings safely. This avoids driver conflicts. First, restart and use the recovery path. Troubleshoot right arrow advanced options, right arrow startup settings, then press 4 or F4 to boot with minimal drivers. Once done, sign in with an admin account so you can modify system-level display parameters. Make sure to note current resolution, scaling, and refresh rate before changing anything, because you may need to revert quickly if a new setting causes visibility issues. Now you change the key values. Open Settings Right Arrow System Right Arrow Display. Adjust resolution first. Pick the native option if available, otherwise step down until the UI is stable. Change scaling to 100%, 125%, or 150% to correct oversized or tiny UI elements and set orientation as needed. If the adjustments won't apply, open Device Manager, expand display adapters, and temporarily disable a recently updated driver. Safe mode lets you do this. Finish by applying the changes and then rebooting normally to confirm the display behaves with full drivers. If you encounter a blank or flickering screen after reboot, try the Windows shortcut Win plus Control plus Shift plus B to reset the graphics driver, or return to safe mode to undo changes. If problems persist, reinstall the official display driver from the manufacturer while in safe mode, or perform a system restore to your recorded settings. This restores stability without guessing which specific tweak caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.